My name is Amethyst with WTI, and I'm calling all of my small business owners to check out this product right here. This is a DEZIBOX shipping box, and I am obsessed with this product, and so are my customers. I love that this box is, first of all, so very beautiful. It's something that, can you imagine buying from a small business and then getting something in this box? It is just so gorgeous. But of course, how does it work? Well, I love that it has its own adhesive on here. You don't have to use any tape. You don't have to mess with annoying tape dispensers or cutting your tape and then finding the seam of the tape. There's no issue. You just rip off this piece right here and glue it down, and this adhesive is strong. It is not going anywhere. I've had zero complaints from my customers. If anything, they all love the boxes. Not only that, but you also get a really easy way to open the box. So although I'm struggling trying to see how well the adhesive works, my customers aren't struggling. They can easily open the box and get their product. And a little bonus too is once they go to open their product, you have a double seal right here, and I love to put a little thank you sticker right in the middle right here, just as a little signature touch, so that my customers feel appreciated and get a very individualized package. I love this thing so very much. It's made so sturdy, so well. It's so easy to use. It's beautiful. There's really nothing bad to say about this product. I seriously recommend it. If you have a small business, your customers will just feel so much happier receiving their product, and that is my point of view.